Hello, hello, hello from the heart of downtown Buffalo. I am so excited to bring you guys along today to show you my favorite buildings in downtown Buffalo. Well, welcome back to another video, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Julia Jornsay-Silverberg, and I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I freaking love my city. I didn't grow up in Buffalo, but I have been here for the last 15 plus years, and I have fallen in love with it, and it is just such a joy to share about Buffalo and bring you guys along for fun videos where I tell you different things about the city that I love. So I figured today would be a fun video because it is a beautiful fall day, and I figured why not show you some of my favorite buildings in downtown Buffalo. First up, we have behind me the Electric Tower. The Electric Tower is so freaking beautiful. It is one of the taller buildings in Buffalo, so it definitely helps to make the skyline what it is, and it is just kind of a classic Art Deco building. The Electric Tower is located on Washington Street, and it is right across from the Gold Dome, which is another one of my favorite buildings. The Gold Dome has been in Buffalo, and honestly, I think the Electric Tower, both of these buildings are super old. You gotta do a Google search to find the exact year of when both of these buildings were created, but the Gold Dome is really unique because it is the Buffalo Savings Bank. So if you see when I zoomed in, you can see Buffalo Savings Bank. So this has been a bank in the heart of downtown Buffalo for so many years. Right now it is home to M&T.
This is my bank.
This is where I go if I need to talk to someone at the bank. Matt and I are gonna end up going to this exact bank when we wanna meet with someone to talk about
getting our first house in Buffalo.
And what's cool too is it is like right in this great little intersection here. At the intersection of Washington and Genesee, you will find the Electric Tower, you will find the Buffalo Savings Bank, and you'll also find right across from here, we have this little plaza here. I think it's called the Roosevelt
Plaza.
And this is just such a cute little spot. Oh, and it's just, oh, it's a gorgeous day. So as you can see right behind me, we have the Electric Tower, and I am literally standing in a little shadow, and right across we have a Hyatt hotel and this cutie little area called the Roosevelt Plaza. There are a ton of people in the plaza, so I will show you the plaza, show you a little bit of the bank, because the Gold Dome is just a sight to see.
And one of the cool things too
is that Genesee connects to Huron, and if you walk down Huron, it will intersect with Main Street. Main Street is where you can catch the subway and take it all the way down Main Street from Canal Side all the way to UB's South Campus. And the Gold Dome is also right across from Fountain Plaza, which is another super cute little area in Buffalo. When it is winter time, they do ice skating there, so it is so cute. So I'm going to show you all of these little areas, starting with Roosevelt Plaza here. I am at the fountain area at the Gold Dome. It is just so beautiful. And right behind me is the lovely Fountain Plaza. We are on the 500 block of Main Street. So this is where you'll find the Gold Dome, you'll find Fountain Plaza, you'll find the Electric Tower right behind me, and I'm gonna walk us just a block
ahead,
because that is where you will find Shea's Buffalo, which is the theater downtown. And I just absolutely love the look of the sign. It is so iconic.
It's just like classic Buffalo.
So I'm gonna show you that because that is also one of my favorite little views of Buffalo. And then I will take you to my fourth and final
absolute
favorite building in Buffalo. Just look at this.
Like,
You've got the Gold Dome, just like in the middle of Main Street. Oh,
It's just the best.
okay, so I know I said I would take you, after I go to Shea's, I would take you to my
4th and final.
but I'll take you to the 5th and final because there is another 4th building that is the Market Arcade.
That is just
Beautiful. But before I show you that, let me show you Shea's. As someone who loves both theater and architecture, I feel like it is impossible to not just love Shea's. It's just, oh, it's so, so beautiful, and the gold doors are just very iconic. So, we're in the theater district. I took you
down here.
and now I'm going to show you the Market Arcade as we head back towards the 500 block of Main Street. So now that I've shown you the Electric Tower, the Gold Dome, shown you Fountain Plaza, the 500 block, walked over to Shea's, and shown you the Market Arcade, I saved the best for last. I want to show you my favorite
Building in Buffalo.
which is City Hall. So we are approaching Niagara Square, which is where City Hall is. A few others that I will say. The Liberty Building right here is amazing. The Hotel Lafayette, which is back there.
Also amazing.
But nothing beats City Hall. This is my favorite Buffalo building. And like, how could it not be, right? And granted, we have a blue sky, so it is like the perfect weather
To take in City Hall.
But even if you see it on a cloudy day in the middle of winter, this building is just breathtaking. I love it so much, and this is one of my
Favorite.
spots ever to come in the city. I just love it here so much. So if you like seeing my favorite buildings in downtown Buffalo, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out
So that I can share
more videos with you. Like, I want to know, do you guys want to see me go inside City Hall? Should the next video I do be like a come inside City Hall and go up to the observational deck? Let me know, because if you guys want to see that, I will do that in the next video, and I will see you guys soon.